CCNA Routing and Switching course. How much does a CCNA course cost? A CCNA Routing and Switching course offers you the understanding and also know how to be successful in networking, even as technologies continue to evolve. The program teaches you to install, keep an eye on, and also troubleshoot the network infrastructure products that go to the actual heart of the Internet of Things. Cisco provides 10 associate level or CCNA tests. Each CCNA accreditation needs to pass at least 2 tests, which differ in expense. The CCNA Routing and Switching course certification exam cost is $325 to $600. In addition to your CCNA accreditation, you will certainly increase your knowledge in Cisco networking. This offers you comprehensive knowledge that you can utilize in your career. The CCNA Routing and Switching course includes value to the networking professional's profession and also helps them to progress their professions. A CCNA registered directing and switching over certified professional will certainly have a possibility to increase the job leads. CCNA registered R&S is the first level of the Cisco accreditation program. It validates the competency levels of network specialists in different networking streams such as routing, switching, and connection. In this training program, participants will certainly gain elementary expertise in networking hardware such as TCP, IP procedures, routers, changes, acreage networks, LAN, wide area network, WAN. After course completion, you will have the ability to install, set up, operate, preserve and also fix IP and non-IP networks. About CCNA Routing and Switching course certification. Achieving CCNA Routing and Switching course is the initial step in getting ready for occupation in IT modern technologies. To earn CCNA qualification, you pass one exam that covers a wide variety of basics for IT careers, based upon the most up-to-date networking technologies, safety, and security, as well as automation as well as programmability abilities and also works duties. CCNA offers you the foundation you need to take your occupation in any type of direction. Cisco CCNA certification shows proficiency as a network professional. Cisco Licensed Network Associate (CCNA) certification verifies your capability to install, configure, operate as well as troubleshoot directed and changed networks. Significance of Cisco CCNA Routing and Switching in 2021. Making a CCNA Routing and Switching course is the very best means for you to prepare for a successful job in networking. You'll be certified by the Networking Leader certification is the structure that networking careers are built upon. Accreditation provides you a lot more career options. Certification prepares you for network advancement in the digital period. Qualification maintains you present on all the most up-to-date modern technology changes. A CCNA Routing and Switching over qualification supplies you with the understanding and competence to prosper in networking, also as modern technologies remain to evolve. The program teaches you to set up, keep track of, and also fix the network facilities items that go to the very heart of the web of points. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for a Cisco CCNA Routing and Switching courses in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best CCNA Routing and Switching training. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for tutorial CCNA Routing and Switching courses every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. Zabeel offers training programs to professionals from various industries like airlines, travel and tourism, engineering, construction, accounts and finance, information technology, logistics, languages, and management. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/